How to quickly unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can unfollow everybody who is not following you back at once. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, you have to download a third-party application. Let's go ahead and open up our Play Store. At the top search bar, type in followers, tracker, and site. Once you have downloaded this app, tap open it and enter your credentials for your Instagram account and get logged into your account. As you do so, you will see a page like this. In here, go on to not following me back option, and these are all the people that are not following you back. Now, in order to unfollow them all at once, tap on the pencil icon on your top right and select them. Then tap on unfollow. Just like so, this is how you can do it. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding this video, do comment down below. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.